So
Yeah, no,
just in general, I mean, why did you get into this business? Why should people you think are going to really kind of jump into this? What's the real reason of why? What do you think the reason people are going to kind of really gravitate towards this?
well, besides actually providing great products that are like really interactive and fun and that give you a gamifying experience, um, you're also going to be able to create your own content and have it on the blockchain like forever.
Right.
And that's a huge differentiator from the other projects. Once something is written on the blockchain, it's going to stay there. So
Yeah.
your piece of history will be timeless.
Right.
Yeah,
So,
and I mean it's kind of different, right? Because the reason the $1 million website, for example, especially in the $1 billion market cap side, the reason it worked is because it's kind of human behavior. People want to compete for limited space and limited real estate. So kind of creating NFTs underlying the real estate where you're able to also put, for example, your own NFTs and show them off to the people. Like a lot of the mechanics in play right now is like, I can buy a better NFT or the best NFT, and then I'll want to show it in the best section in the page. And it's a bit of competition, which is the base of human nature, right? So this is kind of a gamified side of NFTs and scarcity play to allow people to also kind of put their own NFTs inserted into there so that they can show what they have. And I think that's kind of core to why we're also seeing like all this huge valuations for collectibles and other things right now.
Mm-hmm. Yep.